Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Now today on the bench we're going to have a look at this solar energy charging lamp that I picked up from Banggood a couple of weeks back. Arrived yesterday, and I purchased this for around $25 only about a couple of weeks ago, and it came rather quickly, which I'm pretty happy about. Yeah, it cost me $25. Now they do make three different models of this. This is the V62, as you can see here. This is their largest one that they make. They also make them in medium and small size as well, but the smaller size is the one pictured here, and as you can see, it's missing the solar panel on the top here. So this one's pretty limited. It's very small compared to the one that I have here, and this is a pretty small box, as you can see. So the small option is called the V60. The medium one's called the V61. Also, the small one can only be charged by the USB cable, and it does not have the remote control. The remote control only comes with the one that I have in the box here. And you can charge it two ways, obviously with the solar panel in the sunlight, as well as USB charging. Also acts as a power bank as well. So yeah, it was pretty interesting when I saw this. I believe now it's actually on a flash deal. So if you do purchase one of these, I'll leave a link in the description. You're actually going to get it cheaper than what I did for $25 Australian. What I'll do, I'll put a couple of specs that I found on there. I'll put on the screen now, and you can check out all the specs. You can even pause the video if you like and read through the specs that I found online. Also, I'll put the prices in US dollars and a few other different countries as well on the screen. So anyway, on the box you can see solar energy charge. You can use it as a power bank with a micro USB input. Okay, it says it's got energy saving, so it does have a fairly long working time. Okay, depending on what light mode you're in. Obviously, if you're in the high light mode, they're saying around 3 hours work time. If you have it on the dimmer setting, you're going to probably stretch it out to, you know, around 6 hours. Okay, high brightness, long service life, and you're not going to get any sore eyes or go blind looking at this light. Okay, because it does have an actual frosted lens on the bottom. So anyway, as you can see here, we've got a battery indicator light as well. So let's get out of the box. As you can see, it's bubble wrapped here, and it does have, like I just mentioned, that frosted light cover. Okay, and here it is here, guys. As you can see, it's trying to charge up already with the light that's in the garage here. Okay, so it's actually charging up. We've got a hook, so you can ideally use this for camping. It's also being listed as a 2-in-1 300 watt LED camping light and power bank on the Banggood listing, but you can hang this anywhere. You can hang it inside, camping obviously, in your tent. Many uses that you can use this for. You could take this out fishing with you. This would come especially handy if you have a power outage. That's another reason why I actually bought it. Also, maybe to hang in the shed here as an overhead light, so I got extra lighting in this shed while I make videos. So as you can see here, we've got a decent solar panel on the top here. The V61, the medium size one, also comes with a solar panel as well. We have our on and off switch here, as well as the USB port. So we've got our Type A connector port there, as well as the micro USB for charging. All right, okay, so let's turn it on. Okay, so this is the brightest setting, guys. Okay, so it defaults as soon as you turn it on, it's on the brightest setting. It's very bright. Okay, I'll try not to flash it into the camera because it makes the actual camera flash. As you can see, this is the medium setting. It's making the camera flash, but in person it does not flash. Okay, and that's the dimmest setting, which is a low setting. Okay, now if I press it again a fourth time, we have just a normal strobe light. It just keeps flashing. And the last one, the fifth mode, is your SOS beacon for emergency situations. So if you have this with you on your boat, maybe you're doing a bit of fishing at night, or even during the day, you know, you can use this as an SOS beacon. Okay, pretty cool. All right, now as you can see, we've got the power indicator here. It is trying to charge up, as I just said, because of the light coming in through that door there. You can see it reflecting on the solar panel here. I've got the garage door open here for some light. So it is trying to charge up with a little light coming in to this in this garage. And then we also have the remote control and the USB charger cable here, which is just your self-explanatory USB to micro USB that you find on all Android devices. Now here is the little remote control. It's got the battery tab in there, okay, and we should be able to control it from the remote here. This is the first time using it, so let's press it on, and immediately turned on, turned off. Now, like I said, only this version, the V62, the largest model, comes with the remote control. Unfortunately, the small version, the V60 and the V61, the medium size, do not come with a remote control. All right, so let's press mode 1. Okay, so it's gone to medium, dim, flashing strobe, and we've got SOS. Okay, so go through that again quickly. The mode 1 button, okay, that goes to medium, to low with the mode 2 button, mode 3, flashing strobe, and SOS, and turn it off. So if you want the high mode, it comes on when you turn it on, okay? So yeah, that works great. All right, so now what I'll do, all that's left to do is really, I'll just show you it charging up as a power bank with the USB cable to my Android phone. Okay guys, I got my Android phone. It is turned off. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna plug it in. You see my phone turned on. It should start charging my phone. You can charge up any of your devices on the go. As long as this is fully charged, it should charge up, not a problem. As you can see, the phone's starting to charge. So you have it, it's an inbuilt power bank as well. Quite a good little product here. I'm pretty happy with it. So there you have it guys, that is the solar energy charging lamp, the 3-in-1 300 watt camping light and power bank. Hope you enjoyed this video guys. As always, I'll leave a link in the description below. I'm very happy with this product. It did get some rave reviews on Banggood. I believe there's just under 400 written reviews there, and out of 5 stars it got 4.8. So there's around 400 people that are very happy with this product, and I'm one of them. I'm very happy with this product for the price. Like I said before, only the large model like this, the V62, comes with the remote control. Also, it comes with the 5 flashing modes. If you do buy the smaller version, you're only going to get 3 flashing modes, and those modes are high, medium, and the strobe light. You're not going to get SOS or the lowest setting of light, the dimmest setting, I should say. The prices started from $13.50. This is at the time that I bought it. Obviously now they've got a discount, which I'll leave a code in the description along with a link. But yeah, this one cost, for the small one, the V60, it was $13.50 Australian. The medium was $20, and this one here cost an extra $5 at $25 or thereabouts. That's what I paid. Now another difference between the 3 lights, which I'll add, is that the medium only has 60 beams of LED light, and this one here has 120 beads of light, okay, in the actual light fixture itself. So you're going to get 4 times more light out of the large model, the V62, than what you're going to get with the small V60 that does not have the extra solar panel on top. So anyway guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If it's informative, give me a good old thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new to the channel, I sure do appreciate it, and I'll catch you on the next video. Until next time, have a great day.